Hello and welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa and today we are making popcorn salad. Yes, you heard that right, popcorn salad. Popcorn salad is a homemade salad that also includes popcorn. We're going to mix the popcorn right in with the salad. Recipes for popcorn salad have been all over the internet lately, and there have been lots of fun videos of people making the popcorn salad and reacting to it. So we thought we'd give it a try to see if it's something worth making. We're going to start with about 12 cups of popped popcorn. And it's definitely a very easy salad to make. The vegetables in our salad are going to be 1 shallot, some snap peas, shredded carrots, chopped celery, and baby arugula. For the dressing portion of our salad, we're going to need mayonnaise, sour cream, apple cider vinegar, sugar, Dijon mustard, and some salt, as well as a little bit of lemon pepper. We're following a recipe found on foodnetwork.com, and the recipe is by Molly Yey. And her recipe calls for watercress. We're using baby arugula in place of it because my local store was out of watercress, and we are using lemon pepper instead of regular pepper. But other than that, we are following it exactly. So we also need some white cheddar popcorn seasoning, which we're going to sprinkle right on top of our popcorn before we start our salad. And it's impossible not to nibble on the popcorn while you're making this salad. Next, we're going to take our shallot, we're going to peel it and slice it in slices that are about as thin as we can get. Shallots are so much smaller than onions, so this process only takes a few minutes. Next, we're going to take our snap peas. We have about 2 cups of snap peas, and we are going to cut them into thirds so they are nice and bite-sized portions. Carrots and celery also need to be shredded, and I used a food processor for that. Then we're going to whisk together the ingredients for our ranch dressing. We are going to use mayonnaise, sour cream, apple cider vinegar, and some Dijon mustard, as well as a little bit of sugar, and our salt and lemon pepper. If you don't have lemon pepper, of course, just use regular black pepper. I add lemon pepper to almost everything, especially salad dressings. And then one by one, we're going to add our vegetables to the dressing and stir them in, starting with the shallot. And then once all the vegetables are covered with the dressing, we are going to add the popcorn. And we're just going to pour our salad over our popcorn and then mix it all together. The recipe calls for 12 cups, and my bowl wasn't quite big enough for 12 cups, so I had to eat quite a bit of the popcorn. Actually, no, I just took it out and set it aside. Once the salad hits the popcorn does deflate a little bit, and so it'll make more room in the bowl. So as you stir it, you can see the popcorn actually getting smaller, and that makes a little more room in the bowl. And so I just added the rest of the popcorn as I went. So this salad is a very interesting salad. The flavor is actually quite delicious. The arugula and the shallots and the other vegetables and the dressing all work very well together, and the popcorn actually absorbs every single flavor in the salad. So in every bite of popcorn, you can taste the shallots, you can taste the arugula, you can taste the carrots. It's really quite a delicious salad. But the texture is a little bit funny. When I made this and, I tested it out on my family, the reactions varied. Some people said, well, it's better than I thought it would be. Others thought it was actually very good. For me, I thought the texture was a little bit funny. I had trouble getting past the texture of soggy popcorn in a salad. But again, the flavor was delicious. So if you like popcorn and you like salad and you want to try the two together, I say give it a try. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe, more articles, and video, go online to PenelCentral.com.